So the first thing you want to do is click the share button. Then you want to make sure that everyone with the link can view. And then copy the link. Paste the link in any word processing software you want. Then you're going to highlight just the end where it starts at edit. And then you're going to paste in preview $RM equals minimal. Then copy that new link. And you're going to paste it in the address bar. And then you'll see there's no navigation bar, and it's already in presentation mode and it's ready to go.